Hello and welcome to SpaceRat Teaches HTML. In this course I'll go over the basics of web design so you too can make epic websites. And trust me, HTML is easy to learn. First off, you need to understand that web design isn't just HTML. It's also JavaScript and CSS. These are a bit complex, so we'll just stick with HTML for now. Now it's time to get you started. Before you can even start coding, you're going to need a text editor. These allow you to edit your code with these. I recommend Visual Studio Code. It's also the text editor I'll be using for this tutorial. Great. Now it's time to get your hacker glasses all shiny so we can begin coding. Upon opening Visual Studio Code, you'll be greeted with this screen. There's lots of cool features built into this program which you'll learn about in the near future. For now, we're going to keep things as simple as possible. In the top left of your screen, you'll see File. Click on it, and then click New. Your project is going to be called Untitled. That's not what we want. So press Ctrl S to save the document. Give it a name, and make sure it ends in HTML. Now let's actually get to the coding part. I'm going to code a simple website for you, and go over what each element does. Alright. First thing you will notice is all HTML documents start with doctype HTML at the top of their documents. This tells the web browser, hey, this is HTML. The HTML tag you see here basically encloses your code. It's like your code is a sandwich. The HTML tag is the bread of the sandwich. That's why there is two HTML tags. In between both of these tags goes your code. The next thing you will notice is this body tag. Just like the HTML tag, you need to open the tag and close the tag so it encloses your code. I forgot to say this before, but this is pretty much the deal with most elements in HTML. Most elements will need to be closed to function properly. You can close any element simply by adding a / to the tag as seen here. Anyways, back to the code we made earlier. The body tag essentially holds the code that the user would see. This includes text and images. The H1 tag is a formatting tag that gives your web page a title. It stands for header 1. I said earlier that elements hold code, but that's not entirely true. If it's inside the body tag, then elements can hold text as well. It's a bit hard to explain, so I'll show you what this code looks like in a web browser so you can get an idea. Press Ctrl+S to save your code. Navigate to where the code is saved in your File Explorer and open it with Chrome or Firefox. This is how you preview your code. This is what the code looks like in the browser. This big text you see here is the H1 tag I was talking about. This line is an HR tag, and this regular sized text you see here is a P tag. I hope you learned something in this quick tutorial of mine. Next time I'll teach you a few new elements to style your page, and then we'll get on to CSS. Sorry I had to switch TTS software because my last one was dumb and didn't let me finish my video. Anyways, stay tuned for the next episode.